How fare thee, you little Chattanoogas? A weird one today for Typewriter Series number 438. A very weird one. Like I said, sometimes I write poems about weird things that I observe, or curiosities that I have, or science, or whatever. Today is one of those. It's about a housefly. Here's your wee paper. It's a weird color of manila. I guess that would be manila. Whatever. Here's your poem. I found a housefly lying dead, broken and flightless. But I'll be damned if there wasn't gold dust all over his wings. I think even in ruin, things can be beautiful. Maybe sometimes more so. I love you a lot. Treasure every minute that you're here. See you later.